In this video, we will be trying to figure out whether or not you need a building permit to build a shed on your property. And before we get started, you need to know that your building department is going to have the final say, not this video. So you can stop watching the video right now and contact them to find out if you can put a shed in your backyard without a building permit. However, there are a few general rules that apply in most areas. And number one on the list will be the most common one. If your shed is 120 square feet or less and does not have a permanent foundation and is not taller than your house, and in some cases where you have a homeowners association, it might not be able to be taller than your fence or viewed by your neighbors, then you can usually build it on your property. Next up on the list, if you have any plumbing, electrical, or mechanical systems like HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, then you will more than likely need a building permit. Next up, let's take a look at the location of the shed. Some planning departments will require them to be located a certain distance away from your property line, and I will not be able to provide you with that information. Next up, the portable shed myth. If I can take it apart or if I can move it, then I might not need a permit. And this might not be true either. So I think the bottom line here is that if you can take the shed apart, or you can relocate it to a different spot on your property, and you're not spending a lot of money on this project, then you probably don't need to worry about a building permit, because if you ever get caught, you're going to be able to remove the shed from your property or relocate it to a different spot on the property. However, if you're going to be spending a lot of money, or you're going to have a permanent building foundation, like a concrete foundation, or you're going to install electrical, plumbing, or heating and air conditioning, and it's not going to be cheap to move this thing, then you should definitely contact your local building department or planning department for more information about the property line setbacks and building permits. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.